I'm about to share with you how to make the most luxurious carbonara recipe using a legendary Italian chef's method to do so. There's a twist that's gonna upset people. Instead of using spaghetti bucatini or spaghettoni, we're gonna be using garganelli. These are handmade penne. The ridges and the whole carry the sauce, and it's an explosion of flavor every bite. And once you make it this way, you're not gonna go back. I'm going to remove the black pepper and spices to avoid burning it, resulting in a bitter taste. You can always use the trimmings to make a nice alla matriciana sauce to reduce food waste. Then we're going to be slicing them up into pretty chunky cubes. Low and slow is the name of the game until they are golden brown on the outside and soft on the inside. We're going to be passing them through the sieve, reserving all that golden liquid that is the key to Flavor Town. It's going to be half Grana Padano and Pecorino for our cheese, grating them ultra fine using a zester. Keeping within the tradition, we'll be cooking our garganelli al dente. Toast the black pepper until caramelized to enhance the flavor. Using a Bain-Marie or double boiler, we'll be whisking in our egg yolks on low heat, incorporating our cheese, adding in our guanciale fat, and our cooked pasta with that starchy pasta water, creating a viscous, velvety sauce. Using the residual heat of the pasta as well as the other ingredients, I'll be adjusting the sauce to perfection. Let me know in the comment section below of how you prefer to have your carbonara, and if you're interested in other pasta or risotto recipes, click one of these videos above and I'll see you in the next episode.